are a great source of potassium and vitamin C, B, and A. But more importantly, they can be part of a tasty meal or snack and can be used in so many ways. Let's begin by peeling this banana. First, cut off the stem end of the banana and peel from the opposite end. Peeling from the bottom will help remove the banana strings. Here's a tip. If you want to keep your peeled banana from browning, brush or soak the banana in acidic juice, such as lemon, lime, orange, or pineapple juice. Once you've peeled the banana, there are many ways to enjoy it. Banana muffins or bread are great for a quick breakfast or snack, or a side of any meal. Bananas make good yogurt parfaits, and children ages 2 and older can help make the parfaits for a snack or breakfast. Banana pudding is a great dessert. You can make fruit salad with bananas or a banana smoothie. Even baby food, just mash the banana with a fork. So many options on how to use the banana. Get out there and try one.